Concrete pumps. This illustration shows concreting. During concreting operations, do not enter the area below the boom of the concrete pump. Take care if you are in the vicinity of the concrete pump. If concrete mixers enter in reverse gear, there is a danger of being wedged or run over. Station flaggers. When concreting is finished, wash the concrete pump with water, but do not get close. If too much pressure is used when applying pressure to the concrete force feed pipe to push out residual lumps of concrete, the lumps of concrete may spray out like bullets and strike workers. Key safety points. Are transfer pipes assembled by an appropriately licensed worker? Is the assembly of transfer pipes conducted under the direction of the operations chief based on established work procedures? Are the pipe connections in good condition? Are signals standardized? Is the area under the boom clear of workers? Has the order for pouring concrete into formwork been decided? Have all persons concerned been informed? Are steel plates used on soft ground? Have flaggers been stationed? Have measures been taken to prevent spray when washing the transfer pipes?